In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze your Revolut Visa debit card. This is a quick way to protect your money if you've misplaced your card, think it might be in the wrong hands, or just want to pause spending for a moment. Freezing your card is temporary, instant, and completely reversible, so it's a safe first step while you figure things out. Start by opening the Revolut app on your phone. On the home screen, look to the top right corner and tap the cards icon. This takes you to your card hub where you can see the cards linked to your account. The layout can vary slightly depending on your device or app version, but the cards section is always your starting point. Next, choose the specific card you want to freeze. If you have more than one card, double check you're selecting the correct one by looking at the label and the last 4 digits. This ensures you're freezing the card you actually use for spending or the one you're concerned about without affecting any others. Once you've selected the card, tap freeze. The change takes effect right away. From that moment, new transactions on that card will be declined. That includes in-store payments, most online purchases, and cash withdrawals. Think of it as putting your card on pause. Your account stays open, your balance remains safe, and you can still use other cards or features in the app. If you've set up multiple cards, only the one you froze is affected. If you later find your card or you're ready to use it again, simply return to the same screen and tap unfreeze to reactivate it. The toggle will switch back and you can resume spending as normal. There's no waiting period and no need to reissue the card, so it's a convenient way to manage those moments when you're not quite sure where your card is. You can also freeze your card using the Revolut web app if needed. This can be helpful if your phone isn't available, but you can access a computer. The option works the same way, quick, reversible, and focused on protecting your funds. And that's it, your Revolut card is now safely frozen. It's a simple action that gives you immediate control and peace of mind. Remember, freezing is a precaution, not a permanent change, so you can turn it off just as easily when everything's sorted. Thanks for watching and stay safe with your spending.